There we go, bolt out, lid there, drop down, just that one to pop and drop it down. Everything stays where it is. It's on the jack at the minute, so I want to clean this up, clean all this up first. Pop that down. There you go, bolt out, spring up floor. Drag it out now, clean everything up, and put a new one in. Right, I've got some new poly bushes for this end. Go in here. I've got it all painted, cleaned and painted. I've got the poly bushes in there. Like I said before, all you do is lift that spring up, put it through there, line it up, put the bolt through, lift this side up into here, put the bolt through, then lower the axle stand onto the nipple there that goes in through there, and then put the new U-bolts, put the bolts on. They're up there drying with base plate. So I'll put them on in a minute. I'll ring you back then. Right, now we've got that bush in. You've got to jiggle it a bit to get it lined up to make sure the threads don't get knocked over when you knock the bolt through. Now I've put a bottle jack under here to jack the spring up to get a little nipple in line with the spring now. So we just jack that up till that lines up and then drop it in. Sure. So under there, make sure that goes, a little dimple goes in the hole in the axle to locate it by moving the axle and jiggling the spring about. Right, there we're done, all bolted up. Shocker on. Mounts aren't tight. We'll wait till we get it on ground first before we tighten everything up. But I've got some brakes to do first. Got them to strip and check, and a few other little pieces to do before we can do it all, before we put on its wheels. Right, to the other side. Over there, we'll take that one off. Right, the other spring's off. Bits are painted. Ready to go on tomorrow. These two are down here. Ready for tomorrow. We'll get the old Land Rover sorted tomorrow. Right, welcome back to the Wastelander. We're now only rebuilding the brakes after refitting two back springs. Go there. Hopefully this year, this 2020, we're going to get everything built, and then by the beginning of the year we're about to start making it into some kind of wasteland recovery truck that's going to be used for us logging business as well. So it's going to be dual purpose. It's got to earn a living as well. So hopefully we'll get into it and get these brakes done. Got a parcel here from John Craddock. I paid for a cut. not sent. Fire's on. Bottom hose, brake light switch, and a shoe cylinders kit. Right, we'll get on with it then. Right, here we have a rear shoe kit, Series 3 Land Rover, wheel cylinders, springs, drum screws. Oh no, the screws for, I think they're for wheel cylinder then. Some linings. Right, I'll get them on there. First of all, I'm going to make a brake pipe end. Right, we've got the new wheel cylinder on, new nuts and bolts, bleed screw, piping, new shoes, locking nuts, foot locking tab, springs, all on. Put the hub on now, new hub seal, and then we'll go to the other side. Right, drums on, hubs adjusted up. Just got to go round to the other side now. This side's got a new wheel cylinder on last time I did them. I'm wondering whether to put matching pair on. I'll have a look, see. I might swap it and use it as a spare and have all new. I'll not strip it up off this side, there's nothing wrong with it. Right, we'll get on to that then and get that off. Right, offside done now. Little battle with that back spring, but all gone on. Just going to put drum on, adjust it and bleed it, and then we'll see what we do after that today. There it is. I must have had that 40 years, somewhere 30 odd years, 35 years. So hundreds and hundreds of brake pipe ends. Let's have a closer look there.